our BMW 2003 model X5. This is a 3-liter V6. It has airbags. It is currently going for $8,988. Here's the VIN number. Stock and all that. Financing, of course, is available. Good side view. Now it does have heated seats, dual climate control, front, back, power seats, power windows, power mirrors. It's a dash. It is an automatic, all leather, sunroof. Lots of room for everyone. These are your center controls for your climate. Okay. Has full sensors going around. Roof rack. If you're interested, please let us know. We'd be very happy to help you.